Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to change the language at the Huawei Y7 and the version of 2018. So let me tell you before we start, the symbols are very important, and also the positions are always important, because if you have a language you don't understand or cannot read, like Arabic letters or something like this, just an example, then it is always the same position as in your language. So let's start first with the settings. You can find it here on the home screen, as on the desktop, or otherwise you have it always here at the shortcuts. And then we have to scroll down until the last point, System. Then we need the fourth point, the language and input. So, and then we need the first point. So, and now, may you have here already a list which languages you can choose. In case you have just one language, so go on the second point with add languages. It's always written in capital letters. Go on add language. And now you can choose a first language you want to have. If you have chosen it, at the second point you have the opportunity to choose a dialect. Maybe we want to have the dialect from American Samoa. We have now English with the dialect of American Samoa here in our list. And if you want to change it, you just go on the two lines here, hold it and put it up. And now the English and the American Samoa version is now on the first position, and everything is now in English with Samoa dialect. Just go back and everything turns into your language, and so on and so on. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created some other videos, some tips and tricks, secret codes, and so on, and some other stuff. Would be very nice if you have a look also on these videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and maybe until next time. Ciao!